So I haven't really been following this trial closely, but I've been seeing bits and pieces. And I can tell you from my experiences in trying jury trials in New York State, what the attorneys do from both sides before the trial starts is they will submit a proposed jury verdict sheet and a proposed sheet that will list out the charges that the attorneys are going to argue that the judge should read to the jury as the law. And in New York, that ordinarily happens before the trial starts. And ordinarily, at least in Erie County, New York, what will happen is that at the end of the trial or towards the end of the trial, before the jury goes out and deliberates, there will be something called a charging conference. And at that conference, issues like exactly what charges the judge is going to read to the jury, in addition to what the jury verdict sheet is going to say and exactly what it's going to look like beforehand. From my experience, most of the time the attorneys can agree and come to some sort of a middle ground on what those things look like and what those issues look like. Other times you have to create a record and make sure that you're arguing those things in front of the judge and make sure it gets on the record so that if there's some sort of an issue and the case needs to be appealed, it's something that the appellate court can look at and rule on.